Do you know how to create a Gmail account without using a phone number directly from your phone? Here's how to do it. Open your phone settings and scroll down to Google or Accounts depending on your device. Tap Add Account, then select Google. Now, choose Create Account and pick for Myself. Enter your first name, last name and then tap Next. Add your birthday and gender, then tap Next again. Choose your Gmail address or create a custom one. Then set a password. When it asks for a phone number, tap Escape to continue without adding one. Finally, review Google's privacy and terms. Tap I agree, and your profile will be created instantly. That's it. You have created a new Gmail account directly from your phone settings. No number required. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thank you.